In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with your phone using contactless payment or Google Pay. Using your phone to make a payment is quick, convenient, and easy once you know what to look for. The first thing you need to do is check the checkout terminal for the contactless payment symbol or the Google Pay symbol. This tells you that the store accepts tap-to-pay payments from a mobile device. Usually, the contactless symbol looks like a set of curved lines similar to a Wi-Fi icon turned on its side. Take a brief moment to spot that symbol before you try to pay, because it helps confirm that your phone can be used at that terminal. Once you've confirmed that the terminal accepts contactless payments, unlock your phone. You can do this using your PIN, your fingerprint, or face unlock depending on how your device is set up. This step is important because your phone needs to be active and authenticated before it can send the payment. If you unlock your phone before reaching the terminal, the process will feel faster and smoother when it's your turn to pay. After your phone is unlocked, hold the back of your phone about 1 to 2 inches above the payment terminal. Positioning matters here, because the payment chip inside your phone is usually located toward the back. You don't need to press your phone hard against the terminal. Just hold it close and steady for a moment so the terminal can detect it properly. If it doesn't respond immediately, keep your phone in place briefly and avoid moving it around too much. Then, wait for the check mark on your screen confirming that the payment is complete. That on-screen confirmation is the clearest sign that the transaction has gone through successfully. In some cases, you may also hear a sound or see a light on the payment terminal, but the check mark on your phone is the confirmation you want to watch for. Don't pull your phone away too quickly before that appears. And that's it. The process is simply look for the contactless or Google Pay symbol, unlock your phone, hold the back of it close to the terminal, and wait for the checkmark confirming completion. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes a very natural part of checking out, and it can make everyday payments faster and more convenient.